We're on the show floor here in Amsterdam at the Broadband World Forum 2012. We're speaking with Greg Fischer, he's from Broadcom. So Greg, can you just give us an update on what the PON developments are at Broadcom?
So Broadcom completed its acquisition of Broadlight about 6 months ago. Broadlight was a GPON chipset provider providing end-to-end solutions, OLTs and ONUs in the marketplace. We've combined that with Broadcom's investments that we previously had in place, including our organic developments and Technovus, which is an EPON provider. So now we have a complete product portfolio, end-to-end, OLTs, CPEs, ONUs. At the show here, we've announced the first technical product integration from that merger, which is to bring Broadcom's residential gateway software, which is widely deployed on CPE devices today around the world, bring that onto the Broadlight GPON platform. What that means for our customers is that now we have a consistent software across all of our ADSL, VDSL, EPON, and GPON IAD products. So for an OEM, it's time to market and cost of the development effort significantly reduced. And for the carriers, they have a consistent software as they deploy next generation networks.
And one of the things you're here talking about at Broadband World Forum is vectoring, and that's something you've got on some new products. Where's the demand coming from for vectoring capabilities?
So bandwidth in the networks is being driven now by competition, largely from cable, and we look at areas where carriers are competing with DOCSIS 3.0, trying to get more out of the copper without driving fiber all the way to the user. Technologies like vectoring and bonding have a very exciting place in the future. And so those carriers will be driving fiber deeper into the network in many cases to shorten the loops, and then combining that with vectoring and bonding to be able to achieve 100 megabit plus type of data rates.
So one of the other things you're talking about here at the show is supporting 5G Wi-Fi. What is that exactly? 5G
Wi-Fi is the 5th generation of a Wi-Fi standard. It's something that Broadcom introduced first earlier this year at the Consumer Electronics Show. This is a new standard of Wi-Fi called 802.11ac within the IEEE Standardization Committee. What this brings is standardization of important features like beamforming, for example. It brings wider channels. We have 80 megahertz channel widths now in 802.11ac, higher orders of constellation on the modulation, so gigabit type of data rates available on Wi-Fi. What we're seeing now this year is the integration of that capability onto residential gateway platforms. So as we go into 2013, we'll start to see carriers around the world deploying solutions that feature dual band concurrent Wi-Fi, which is 2.4 gigahertz 802.11n, which is supporting, of course, a lot of the equipment that's out in the field today, and 5 gigahertz 11ac to support largely video streaming. We'll also start to see client devices in 2013 head toward 11ac, which can be 1 by 1, can be 2 by 2, can be 3 by 3. There's different numbers of spatial streams you can use, but we'll start to see tablets, handsets, PCs throughout 2013 be launched that have 802.11ac as well.
And finally, what would be your favorite movie of all time?
I'm going to have to go with Animal House.
And any particular favorite scene?
I think probably the scene with the guy playing the guitar at the party when Belushi walks in and takes the guitar and breaks it.
Excellent, Greg, thank you very much.
Thank you.